Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Have you ever wondered how eco-friendly paper bags made from bamboo are produced inside a modern industrial factory? This fast-growing natural material is transforming the packaging industry and helping reduce plastic waste around the world. In this video, we will explore the complete manufacturing journey, from raw bamboo to finished paper bags used in daily life. And by the end of this video, I will also share useful tips on how to properly use and reuse these sustainable bags. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching from and what time is it there right now? Inside a modern industrial facility, the journey of bamboo paper bags begins with advanced engineering and sustainable innovation. This factory combines automated machinery, precise environmental control, and optimized production flow to transform natural resources into eco-friendly packaging solutions. Every section of the plant is carefully designed to ensure efficiency, safety, and consistent quality throughout the manufacturing process. An interesting fact is that modern paper production facilities often reuse heat energy generated during processing to improve energy efficiency. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how seamlessly automation and sustainability work together to reduce environmental impact. Now that we understand where the process begins, we can explore how the raw material is responsibly sourced from nature. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, making it an ideal renewable resource for sustainable packaging production. Carefully managed bamboo forests provide strong and flexible fibers that are highly suitable for paper manufacturing. Harvesting is performed using controlled methods to maintain ecological balance and ensure continuous regrowth. Interestingly, bamboo can grow up to 1 meter per day under optimal conditions, making it significantly more renewable than traditional wood sources. In my opinion, the natural strength and rapid growth cycle of bamboo make it one of the most promising materials for eco-friendly industrial applications. After harvesting, the bamboo must be cleaned and prepared before it can enter the processing stage.
A little bit left. Okay, drop it now. Copy that. Drop it.
Before transformation can begin, raw bamboo must go through a thorough cleaning and preparation process to remove impurities and ensure consistent material quality. Industrial washing systems use high-pressure water and mechanical brushing to eliminate dust, bark residues, and unwanted particles from the surface of the bamboo. This preparation stage ensures the fibers remain strong and uncontaminated for the pulping process. An interesting fact is that even small contaminants can significantly affect the strength and appearance of final paper products. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is the precision required to maintain fiber integrity while removing unwanted material. But what happens in the next stage is where the real transformation begins. After cleaning, bamboo is mechanically cut and reduced into smaller fragments to prepare it for chemical processing. Industrial shredders and grinders break down the rigid bamboo structure into manageable fiber particles, increasing the surface area for efficient pulping. This step is essential for ensuring uniform chemical penetration during the next stage of production. Interestingly, the size of the shredded material directly influences the quality and consistency of the final paper product. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how powerful mechanical systems transform a solid natural material into flexible industrial raw input. With the material now properly sized, the process moves toward chemical treatment where cellulose fibers are separated. At this stage, the prepared bamboo fragments enter large industrial digesters where heat and carefully controlled chemicals break down lignin, the natural substance that binds fibers together. This process separates the valuable cellulose fibers needed to produce strong and flexible paper material. Temperature, pressure, and chemical balance must be precisely monitored to maintain fiber quality and minimize waste. An interesting fact is that modern pulping systems often recycle chemicals to reduce environmental impact and improve efficiency. In my opinion, this stage plays a critical role in defining the strength and durability of the final paper product. But what happens next may surprise you, as the fibers begin to take on an entirely new form. Once the cellulose fibers are separated, the pulp mixture is transferred onto large moving screens where excess water is gradually removed. Continuous filtration and pressing systems shape the wet pulp into a thin, uniform sheet that begins to resemble paper. This step requires precise synchronization between conveyor speed and pressure rollers to maintain consistent thickness across the entire sheet. Interestingly, the water removed during this stage is often purified and reused within the factory system. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how a liquid mixture slowly transforms into a recognizable material used in everyday life. As the sheet gains structure, it moves toward further refinement and strengthening. The partially formed paper sheet now passes through heated drying cylinders where controlled heat removes remaining moisture and strengthens fiber bonds. Surface treatment rollers smooth the texture, improving printability and flexibility for packaging applications. Temperature control is essential to prevent deformation while ensuring consistent material properties. An interesting fact is that slight variations in drying speed can significantly influence the final texture and durability of paper products. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how carefully controlled heat enhances the natural strength of bamboo fibers. The next step may completely change how this material performs in real-world applications. Before moving forward, the finished paper rolls undergo comprehensive quality inspection using precision instruments and automated scanning systems. Measurements such as thickness, tensile strength, flexibility, and moisture resistance are carefully analyzed to ensure the material meets strict industrial standards. Even small deviations can affect bag durability and performance during use. Interestingly, advanced optical sensors can detect microscopic imperfections invisible to the human eye. In my opinion, this stage demonstrates how technology helps maintain consistency across large-scale production. With the material approved, the process can now continue toward converting the paper into functional bags ready for distribution. At this stage, large rolls of finished bamboo paper enter high-speed conversion machines where they are transformed into functional paper bags. Precision printing systems apply designs and branding, while automated cutters shape the material into exact dimensions. Folding arms and adhesive applicators work in perfect synchronization to create strong seams and structured bag forms. An interesting fact is that modern bag forming machines can produce thousands of bags per hour with remarkable consistency. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how flat sheets of paper quickly evolve into practical products used worldwide. Something unexpected is about to happen in the next stage as these finished products prepare for global distribution. After production, finished bamboo paper bags are carefully packed into cartons and transported through automated logistics systems. Robotic palletizers organize shipments efficiently, while digital tracking ensures accurate delivery schedules across distribution networks. Transportation planning focuses on minimizing environmental impact by optimizing route efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. Interestingly, modern supply chains often use real-time monitoring systems to track product movement globally. In my opinion, this stage highlights how logistics technology plays a vital role in bringing sustainable products closer to consumers. With distribution underway, we can now explore how these eco-friendly bags become part of daily life.
The priority shipments are on track. Make sure the team focuses on the cross-docking inventory first.
Bamboo paper bags are widely used across retail stores, supermarkets, cafes, and packaging industries as a sustainable alternative to plastic bags. Their durability, flexibility, and natural appearance make them ideal for carrying groceries, clothing, and takeaway products. An interesting fact is that bamboo fiber paper often offers excellent strength while maintaining lightweight characteristics. What I personally find fascinating is how a natural plant resource can transform into an everyday solution that supports environmental responsibility. The next step may change how you think about using paper bags more efficiently in daily routines. Now that the bamboo paper bag has completed its journey from forest to factory, understanding how to use it properly can significantly extend its lifespan and environmental value. These bags are designed to carry daily essentials such as food, clothing, books, and lightweight goods while maintaining structural integrity. To achieve the best performance, users should avoid excessive moisture exposure, store the bag in dry environments, and fold it carefully along original creases for repeated use. Interestingly, reusing a single paper bag multiple times can reduce overall packaging waste and resource consumption. What I personally find inspiring is how small daily choices, such as selecting sustainable packaging, can collectively create meaningful environmental change. By choosing to reuse and recycle responsibly, consumers actively contribute to a more sustainable future for global packaging systems.
As you can see, even with these heavy groceries.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you found this production process interesting, please comment 1 below. If you think the video could be improved, feel free to comment 0 and share your ideas. I would truly love to hear your feedback. Also tell me in the comments, what production process would you like to explore in the next video? Your support truly motivates me to continue creating more high-quality documentary content. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends who are interested in modern manufacturing and sustainable innovation.